Hello, I'm in a 2017 Hyundai Elantra, and today I'm going to show you how to set up the Bluetooth. And I'm in the SE model, to be more specific. So if you have a dash that looks something similar to this, it took me a bit of research, but I found out if yours matches these buttons like this, where media is here and such, this actually does not have Bluetooth. It looks like there was some sort of a base package they sold. Presumably that applies to other years also, but I think it was like a tech package for new cars that included features like your phone Bluetooth. I would assume majority models have Bluetooth. So if yours almost looks like this, say right here it says phone instead of media, to set up your Bluetooth you would push the phone button, and then in here there would be some options to start setting up your Bluetooth. Alternatively, in I believe this menu button, this one just has the one. On most models there's like about 3 or 4 buttons here. One of them would say phone. I think it's either 3 or 4. So within here then you'd push, let's say it's 4, and that would take you to the phone options again, and then through that interface it gives you all the Bluetooth setup options. So again, if yours says phone here, you could hit phone, and it will have it here, or the menu option, and then it's either 3 or 4, it'll say phone, and then within that it'll let you do Bluetooth. But yeah, I wanted to make this video just because I was surprised to find out this doesn't have Bluetooth, being such a new model. But anyways, I hope this was helpful. I appreciate a like and subscribe, and otherwise any comments that would be helpful for a video I can make. Hope you have a great day. Bye.